14a. Express 1 over k plus 2i in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real number. So part A, you have to multiply the conjugate. So this one is equals to 1 over k plus 2i times the k minus 2i divided by the k minus 2i. So let's see, we can use the 10,000 skills again. So substitute k equals to 10,000 again. So go to mode 2, 10,000 store in x, 1 over bracket x plus 2i times x minus 2i, x plus 2i. So 10,000, this one will be your real part numerator. This one will be numerator. 10,000 is what? You substitute k equals to 10,000, therefore k over something. Okay, and then see the imaginary part. The imaginary part is negative 2. The imaginary part numerator is negative 2. So minus 2 over something I. You don't need to expand it. By just using calculator, you can get all the things correct. What is the denominator? So x plus 2i and x minus 2i. Why? Because just the multiplication of the two denominator. Click it. A long stuff, but making last 4 digit become 0. So click minus 4. Copy plus 4. Divide by x one time, and still is with the 4 0 at the end. So divide again. It becomes k square, not x square. Remember, it's k because today you store k equals to 10,000. So you get the answer directly by using your calculator. If you still don't know the substitute 10,000 skills, please refer to the YouTube video and watch it again and again. Part B. It's given that 1 over k plus 2i is the root of the quadratic equation, this one. Find out the k. So this one, let me write down a caution here. Remember, if you write down this line in the paper, 1 over k minus 2i is another root. This one is wrong. You directly get a 0 mark, even though you get the correct answer. The conjugate is not look like this. You should change the k over k squared plus 4 minus 2 over k squared plus 4i, this one, into its conjugate. You need to tell me that k over k squared plus 4 plus the 2 over k squared plus 4i. This one is another root, then to score 1 mark. You cannot write 1 over k minus 2i is another root. No. But change this one into plus. Yes. So let's do it. K over k squared plus 4 plus 2 over k squared plus 4i is another root. This one score 1 mark. And how can I calculate the k? So let's see. Because we already know the position A and position B in the quadratic equation. So position A and B represent what? Sum of root. So actually we can think about the sum of root. The sum of root is that now it should be negative b over a, right? And we know these two are the roots. When we add them up, when we add these two up, it should be equals to the negative b over a. Actually, it's the negative 5 over 10. So let's do it. Using the sum of root, so bracket k over k squared plus 4 minus 2 over k squared plus 4i and plus another root. Is equals to negative 5 over 10. So you see that actually the 2i are cancelled out. Something will be equals to 1 over 2. And what is it? Denominator are the same. Then combine them. Okay, and then it's a quadratic equation again. Therefore, it will become the k squared minus 4k plus 4 equals to 0. Then it will become k minus 2 all square equals to 0. K is 2 repeated. So remember that this one, the key is that you can think of another root. You can think of another root. And then use the sum of root to KO this question.